here. Today I am going to make a super simple bird feeder with materials you can probably find at home. So what I have here today is some peanut butter. You can use smooth or crunchy. I just happen to have crunchy. A toilet paper roll. A knife. Some bird seed. Now you can use plain black oil sunflower seed. That's probably your cheapest option. Or if you have some at home or want to go a little fancier, you can do a little mixture, which has a few more nuts and seeds in it that other birds might like. Depending on what type of seed you use, you might attract different birds. So test it out at home and see who comes and visits. And then I like to have a little tray to contain the messiness. You could do this outside, but just get a tray that you don't mind getting a little messy. So the first thing I like to do is to go ahead and take my seeds, and I'm going to use a bit of both, and just pour some in my tray. Get them nice and mixed up. And then open my peanut butter. And just start putting this on the toilet paper tube. And get a good smear on there so that your seeds will stick. They'll probably like these peanuts that are already in the peanut butter here. And your hands will get a little messy doing this, but that is okay. Crafts are fun when they're messy. All right. Now you could pick this up and just drop it on and then pat it, but I actually think it's much easier to just roll, which is why I love a tray, because you can sort of press down too to help that seed really stay in there. There I go, a lovely, complete, super simple bird feeder that really took me about 30 seconds to make. So let's go outside and find a place to put this. All right, now that we have made our toilet paper bird feeder, let's find a good place to put it. It has gotten a bit heavier since putting all the seeds on, so do make sure to find a sturdy branch. So let's see what I've got. That looks pretty good to me. So keep an eye out, see what visits. You might meet a few of your neighborhood squirrels, but hopefully a few birds come and enjoy it as well. Make sure when it's all done to go ahead and throw the toilet paper roll away, as we don't want to leave litter in our environment. Happy crafting!